Hi guys, today we're doing a different sound. The sound is ow. 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 Amazing. All right, when you look at this picture, okay, you see lots of people. And what are they all doing? They are all shouting. So when you look at the picture, you say, shout it out. Shout it out. Amazing. All right, now we're going to do our secret fingers. So remember, we put our hands on our backs, and when I say the word, you're going to split the sounds into fret talk. And then when I say fingers, you're going to show me how many sounds the word has. Here goes. The first word is out. Out. Fingers. How many sounds? 2. Well done. Out. Out. Fantastic. Remember, pinch your fingers when you say the sounds. All right, next word. Secret fingers, secret fingers. The next word is loud. Loud. How many sounds? Fingers? Excellent. L, ow, d. Loud. Amazing. All right, the next one. Secret fingers, secret fingers. Found. I found my mom at the door. Found. How many sounds? Fingers? Excellent. F, ow, n, d. Found. 4 sounds. Amazing. The last word is mouth. Close your mouth or a fly might get in. Mouth. Fingers? Well done. Ow, th, mouth. Amazing work. Well done. All right. So now I'm now going to show you the card again. And we know that this is shout it out. And when I show you this side, we can see the special friends, okay? And these special friends sound like ow. 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 Amazing. All right, so let's see if you recognize them very quickly. One last time. Here we go. Excellent. Fantastic. All right, now I'm going to mix them up with sounds that we've done before. And let's see how quickly you can recognize them. All right, so here we go. Here we go, here we go. Mixing them up, mixing them up. Here I go, here I go. Fantastic. Well done.